August of 2001, Dick Valentine decided to take Evie to the huge county fair in his Ohio hometown. While walking around, they spotted a tent where they were selling raffle tickets to win a 1966 Chevrolet Chevelle Convertible. They bought 2 tickets for $20. Later in October, they received a call telling them that they had won the car. Dick was never that lucky, so the car became Evie's. When driving the car home, Dick could tell it needed some suspension work. Upon further inspection, he could see where someone had patched the floor with a panel out of a junkyard car. A few months later, Dick disassembled the car and mounted it on a rotisserie. He had built and repaired the trunk floor with the correct panels and did some other minor repairs to the body. He then went to work on the suspension system, engine, and transmission. Upon remounting the body, Dick did some minor paint repair and did some interior work. A little love, luck, and many hours of work resulted in a nice ride.